is the national fruit of Pakistan? Answer: mango. 2. What is the national animal of Pakistan? Answer: markhor. 3. What is the national bird of Pakistan? Answer: Shaheen falcon. 4. What is the national reptile of Pakistan? Answer: Indus River reptile. 5. What is the national mountain of Pakistan? Answer: K2-6. What is the national airline of Pakistan? Answer: PIA. 7. What is the national lake of Pakistan? Answer: Saif al-Muluk 8. What is the national river of Pakistan? Answer: Indus River. 9. What is the national currency of Pakistan? Answer: Pakistan rupees. 10. What is the national mosque of Pakistan? Answer: Faisal Mosque. 11. What is the national instrument of Pakistan? Answer: Daf. Question of the day: what is the national sweet of Pakistan? Comment your answer.